Here at Witter, we're passionate about products that enhance your adventures. And this amazing dash cam is no exception. Whether you want to capture footage on the road or whilst your vehicle is stationary, this camera will give you peace of mind and a sense of security. This dash cam has been cleverly designed for simple operation and effective results. But to ensure safety and guarantee you are utilizing all of its potential, we're going to run through some great user tips. Begin by cleaning the area behind the rearview mirror. Connect the camera to the mount like so. Place the mount on the glass by pressing the lever forward. Plug the charger into the camera. Route the cables through the ceiling and the A-pillar so it doesn't interfere when you're driving. Also, make sure this doesn't interfere with any airbags or other safety features. Connect the charger to the cigarette lighter in your vehicle. Only use the charger supplied with this dashcam. Using another type of charger could result in a malfunction. Remember, never mount the camera where the driver's view can become blocked. If you have a vehicle with a tinted windscreen, it may be a thermic and affect the GPS reception. In this instance, mount your device in a clear area. Once you're happy with where your dashcam is mounted, it's time to turn it on. Now, to get the mounting angle right, make sure that the camera's view is parallel with the level ground and the ground-sky ratio is close to 6:4. Before you start recording, you need to insert a memory card. Hold the card by the edges and gently insert it into the slot. If you need to remove the card, gently push the top edge of the card inwards to release it and pull it out of the slot. To avoid damage, try not to apply any pressure to the center of the card when handling it. Now, to make sure you're utilizing all of your memory card space, you'll need to format it before you begin recording. You can easily do this by pressing the menu button and selecting Format. Now your card is completely empty and ready to go. Be sure to check your camera has the correct date and time before setting off. This plays a crucial role in your recordings. Simply press the menu button and set it manually or using GPS time. Now you're ready to go. Every time you start your engine, your dash cam will begin continuously recording within seconds. I hope this guide gives you better peace of mind behind the wheel. Stay safe and stress-free.